In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to untrack Google Flights. If you've been keeping your eyes on flight prices through Google's tracking feature, but now wish to cease these notifications, you're in the right place. Let's dive right into the simple process of untracking those flights to tidy up your inbox and notifications. We'll start off by navigating to Google Flights. To do this, simply open your preferred web browser and go to the Google Flights website. I'll give you a moment to do so. You can easily find it by searching for Google Flights in Google or by typing in https://www.google.com/travel/flights into your address bar. This will bring you directly to the homepage of Google Flights, where you can begin the untracking process. Once you've arrived at Google Flights, you'll notice there's a sign-in button located at the top right corner of the page. Click on this button to proceed. This step is crucial because your tracked flights are linked to your Google account, so you'll need to be signed in to view and manage them. After clicking on the sign in button, you'll be prompted to choose your Google account. Select the account you use to track flights. If you're already signed in on your device, this step might be skipped automatically, taking you directly to where you enter your password. Next up, type in your Google password. Remember, it's imperative to keep your password secure, so make sure you're entering this information on a trusted device. After you've input your password, click Next to proceed. You're now signed into your Google account and ready to manage your flight tracking settings. Once signed in, you'll want to access the main menu to find your tracked flights. To do this, click on the three bars, also known as the hamburger menu, located at the top left corner of the screen. This will expand the main menu of the Google Flights page, revealing several options for you to choose from. In this menu, you're going to select Tracked Flight Prices. This option will take you to a page displaying all the flights you're currently tracking. You'll see the details of these flights, including destinations, dates, and the current prices. It's from this page that you'll be able to make changes to your tracking preferences. Now, to stop receiving email notifications for a specific flight, click on Turn off email notifications for that flight. This action will mute the alerts, but you'll still see the tracked flight in your list, should you decide to check on it manually later. If you're looking to completely untrack a flight and remove it from your list, you'll need to look for the alarm bell icon next to the flight details. By deselecting this icon, you effectively stop tracking that flight. The system might prompt you for confirmation, so go ahead and confirm your decision. This stops any form of notification, both in-app and via email, for that specific flight. Lastly, if your goal is to clean up your tracked flights list entirely, you might want to delete a flight from your tracking list. To do this, look for the trash can icon next to the flight you no longer wish to track and click on it. Again, you might be asked to confirm this action. Confirming will permanently remove the flight from your tracked flights list, ensuring you won't receive future alerts or notifications about it. And just like that, you've successfully untracked flights on Google Flights. Whether you're doing a bit of digital decluttering or your travel plans have changed, knowing how to manage your tracked flights can come in quite handy. Remember, the world of travel is always changing, with prices fluctuating frequently. If you ever change your mind and wish to track flight prices again, simply reverse the process by searching for your desired flights and clicking the Track Prices button. It's been my pleasure to guide you through the process of untracking Google Flights. Safe travels and happy planning, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this one.